Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sunil Bakre. Today I am here before you for discussion of very important topic, and that topic is related to admissions to class 11th and 12th for CBSE. Recently we know that due to COVID-19 pandemic, CBSE has cancelled class 10th examination, and a new policy is introduced for declaring the results of class 10, that is on the basis of historical results of past 3 years, and the average of that, and certain criteria are described. But one word is come in that policy document. That word is no streaming, and most of the students, parents, teachers, and all the stakeholders are in dilemma whether what is this exactly no streaming mean. And most of the teachers, most of the students, most of the educators and stakeholders have even overlooked it. They have not realized what is this no streaming. They thought it just casually, whatever it is, let it be, what we have to do with that word. But that word is very important. As Central Board of Secondary Education has released this policy document for the calculation of class 10th results of students, the class 10 students result will be declared on a typical tabulation of marks, and it will be declared by 20th of June. But CBSE has said that you can get the admissions for class 11th without the class 10th result declaration also. And they have used that word no streaming. So as per the scheme of this no streaming, the word carries importance because here there is a kind of liberty, a kind of freedom is given. In short, we can say the implementation of National Education Policy 2020 has already started, or has already begun, we can say, more or less. Because here the students of class 10 can get admissions for class 11 for the academic year 2021-22. But while doing this, these students will have liberty to pick up 5 to 9 subjects of various combinations. Means there are different types of combinations that students can choose, and these 5 to 9 subjects what they can choose can be like, for example, maths, history, biology, physics, all together they can choose of their choice. There is a liberty, they can choose this subject even if these subjects are offered or not offered by that particular school. Means suppose that particular subject is not there, even then the school child can take that subject, child can get admission for that subject and give the examination. That is very important, even though it is that course is not offered by that particular school, or that particular plus 2 senior secondary school, or whatever we can say. So here the word streaming, no streaming, is very important because there can be a combination of arts, commerce, science. Any one subject from commerce, one subject from arts, two subjects from science can be also taken as per the choice, as per the interest. So this is very important. Most of the students have not understood this particular document, or this particular, and there is a kind of doubt in their mind that what all they can do, what all they can take the step while taking the admission. So students, is very clear that you can pursue for the studies of junior secondary or senior secondary classes of science, arts and commerce. You can take these subjects and get the admission for class 11, even though that course is offered or not offered in that particular junior college, we say, or sometimes we say that plus 2, we say, or senior secondary college, we can say. So it is very clearly mentioned by the board that there is no streaming, there is no any kind of restriction that you should only go for science faculty or arts faculty or for commerce faculty, but you can choose the subjects of your important choice, or whatever you like, that kind of subjects can be taken, this kind of combination can be taken. And it is clarified to the students that class 11 students can opt for this combination like science, arts, commerce, and students can opt for 4 elective subjects and 1 language in their combination. 4 elective and 1 language in their combination, with the condition that the subjects are being taught in that particular school, and also additional subject or 6 subject can be offered as per the prescribed syllabus out of the subjects offered by the board. Means there is a ample liberty given to the students so that they can get this kind of combination, this kind of decision they can take for arts, commerce, science together. That is, there is no streaming, and indirectly it is the implementation of new education policy. So this video was to make the point clear that there is no streaming now. You can choose the subject of your own choice It can be of arts, it can be of science, or it can be of commerce also, together also, and that particular structure can be followed, that can be done by the student. So thank you very much for watching this video.